Hello guys, so today I am here in RTO office of Chandigarh and I will show you the office and where you can apply for learner license and the normal license, and there is an useful information for senior citizens, army personals and handicapped people. So let's go. This is the entrance and here we go inside. That is the inquiry center and these are the so when you are coming for the license service, you will come to these two counters. If you have to apply for learner license or the normal license or any type of license, you have to come in only these two counters. The counter 4 is for another types of license servicing. If you don't have your photos, then this is the photo studio available for your license, and there is also a testing license service here too. I will tell you the timings for your these when to come in for the learner license test or for the normal driving license test. So if you are here for the learner license test, then you can come here at 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. only on Mondays and Fridays. And yes, the useful information I wanted to tell you about for these senior citizens, defense personals and handicapped persons, that only for you people this office is always open on every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m.